To make rasgullas, you need to have 1 liter of cow's milk, 3 cups of water, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of crushed cardamom, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. First, heat and boil the milk. As soon as it rises up, now add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Stir it well to get curdles and let it boil for a minute. Now strain the curdles with the help of white cotton cloth or muslin cloth. Here I am using white cotton cloth. Remove the excess water. Now wash the chana with the help of cold water for twice. Wash it thoroughly so that the flavor of lemon juice goes off. Remove the excess water and rest it for a minute. To make a sugar syrup, add 3 cups of water, 1.5 cups of sugar, half a teaspoon of crushed cardamom and bring it to boil. To a mixing bowl, take out the chana from the cloth. Smash it well and now add 1.5 teaspoon of all-purpose flour and knead it for a minute. Note, don't knead more than a minute or else your chana balls will become harder. Knead it softly and gently. Start making small balls like this. Once if you are done, now place the chana balls one by one into the boiling sugar syrup. Drop it carefully. Close the lid and cook it for 8 to 10 minutes in a medium flame. To ensure that whether your chana balls is cooked or not, dip it in a cold water. If it floats, it has to cook for another 10 minutes in a low flame. After it cooks completely, let it cool at a room temperature. Now take out the balls into a bowl or else it will become flattened. Strain the sugar syrup and refrigerate for 2 hours so that the balls will be soaked very well. Now serve the rasgulla balls. Let me show you one. It is so spongy and soft. The texture is completely good. Now top it with some sugar syrup. Serve the chilled rasgullas. Enjoy!